achieve this style, continue to keep watching. Yes, I'm going to be starting off, of course, massaging her hair and her scalp with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, look how this butter is just melting into her scalp. It is hydrating her hair, giving her hair the nutrients and the vitamins that it needs to promote hair growth. Yes, I am putting a generous amount of hair growth butter into her scalp, and I am massaging. Yes, I am massaging this hair growth butter in, and I am loving on her hair. Yes, ladies, that's what we need to do. We need to start loving on our hair. And of course, I am incorporating my brushing process. Yes, ladies, we have gotten away from brushing our hair and we need to get back to it. Yes, brushing stimulates the hair follicles and helps promote hair growth. It massages the hair and the scalp as well. So I'm first going to start by doing a healthy braid pattern. Yes, this is going to be the healthiest braid pattern for her hair, considering that her edges are very thin and fine. And because of this style, I want to make sure that the braid pattern that I choose is very flat. Yes, we want to make sure that it's flat, and I am going to do that by the braids that I braided straight to the back. I'm going to take those braids and go underneath the braid that I just braided from ear to ear. So take a look and see how I did that. See how I'm taking that braid and I'm going to pull it with my crochet needle through that braid that I braided from ear to ear. Yes, stylists and ladies, if you want that braid pattern to be nice and flat on the top, no humps and no lumps, this is the perfect way to do that. Just take that braid, put it through that crochet needle, and pull it right through that braid that's going across. And this is going to give you that flat foundation that you need for any crochet style. Yes, I love it. I love doing this method because, again, it makes it nice and flat at the top, and that way I don't have any humps or any bumps, and that makes the style look very, very natural. And that's what we want. We want our styles to look as natural as possible. This is also a great way to make sure that you have parts that are not too long. If you don't want your parts to be really long, you can also use this method by braiding that ear to ear braid closer to the front if you want a shorter part. Okay, fam, so now I am getting started on the crochet. So again, this is a T1B burgundy, and it's 10 inches long, and it is pre-looped. We got this hair from Amazon, and it's 7 packs in each lot. So it is more than enough for an entire head. I am so amazed because this hair is definitely keeping the same pattern that it has in the pack, is the same pattern that it's having as I install. So I am loving this hair. It is not shedding, it is not frizzing, and it is being very easy to install. So if you are looking for some durable hair that holds its curl, and I mean these crochets, they are holding this. They are holding. These curls are beautiful. So again, I braided these braids in the back from ear to ear, and it's making it very easy to cover, and it's also giving her a very full look, which is going to be what she is looking for. Making sure that it's all full, especially around her edges where her hair is very thin. She wants to make sure that it's nice and full. So please continue to watch the entire video so that you can see the method that I use when I get to the front, and you can see how this beautiful style is completed. So again, continue to keep watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please hit the save button. Give me a thumbs up. Please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Yes, here is the hair that we are using, just to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like close up. Again, we got the hair from Amazon and it came with 7 packs. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this style is completed. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want your hair to grow, get some G&G hair growth butter. And yes, we do have G&G hair growth oil as well. So check out our website. The link is in the description below. Thanks, stay safe and stay blessed, and please continue to watch the video.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. Wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen
my gosh, look at this beautiful style. Look how beautiful and natural this looks. This is absolutely gorgeous. The length is so pretty. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Look how that is laying. Look how it is just matching her skin. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is a loose wave. Yes, a loose wave crochets. This is a total of 7 packs, and the color is a ombre burgundy. She loves it. Now look at her looking in the mirror. She is super juiced that her hair came out so gorgeous. This is why I love what I do when my clients leave and they are feeling so uplifted. They are feeling confident about themselves. This is so rewarding for me. So again, I love what I do. Hair is what I love to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please continue to support my channel by subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. Again, I am so in love with this style. This color again is absolutely gorgeous, and the style